What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to study about a very interesting chapter and which is matter in our surroundings. So from your junior classes you have learned that anything that occupies space and have mass is known as matter, and it exists in form of five basic elements: the Panch Tattva, air, earth, fire, sky and water. For example, chair, bed and river, mountain, dog, tree, building, etc. So now we are going to discuss about characteristics of matter. Matter is made up of small particles called atoms. These particles are too small to be observed with naked eye. These particles are continuously moving. These particles have space between them. Particles of matter attract each other because of force of attraction. So now we are going to discuss about diffusion. Diffusion can be explained in very simple terms. The movement of particles from a higher region to a lower region is known as diffusion. That's it. So now we are going to discuss about applications of diffusion. So first example, we are going to take dissolving a solid in a liquid. So let's start. When a crystal of potassium permanganate is placed in a beaker of water, the water slowly turns into purple on its own, even without stirring. Wow. Both potassium permanganate crystal and water are made up of tiny particles. When the potassium permanganate crystal is put in the water, the purple color particles of potassium permanganate spread throughout the water, making the whole water look purple. Actually, on dissolving, the particle of potassium permanganate get into the spaces between the particles of water. This shows that the particles have spaces between them and continuously moving on their own. So now we are going to take another example, that is mixing of two gases. Fragrance of an Indian stick lightened in one corner of a room spreads in whole room quickly. The particles of gases or vapor produced by burning the incense stick moving rapidly in all directions and mix with the moving particle of air in the room. This also shows that particles of matter are continuously moving. So now we are going to study about Brownian movement of particles, and which is little bit new and important also, and it is given by Robert Brown. This is known as the random or zigzag movement of microscopic particles in a fluid as a result of continuous bombardment of molecules of the surrounding medium is known as Brownian movement. For example, dust moves randomly because the random moving particles of air collide with dust particle. So now we are going to discuss about a very simple topic, and that is how matter is classified. So matter is classified is based upon particle arrangement, energy of particles and distance between the particles. And here you can see a diagram showing the particles of solid, liquid and gas. So now we are going to study about three states of matter, and we all know that three states of matter are found in solid, liquid and gas. So let's get started. So guys, here you can see a table showing the differentiation between solid, liquid and gas on the basis of their property like intermolecular attraction, density, fluidity, diffusion, kinetic energy of particle. So here you can pause the video and this you can note in your notebooks. So guys, this is time for some questions. So I have some questions for you. So you can go through it and just solve it. If you have any sort of query, or you want to ask another question, or you have doubt in this only, so you can just text me on the comment box. So guys, we came with the end. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon for new updates and to never miss an update. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you don't like it, then you can dislike also.